Hey guys, it's Heather with Passion for Savings. Today I'm going to be sharing with you my easy homemade lasagna. This recipe is actually a part of our new grocery pickup meal plans. There are 6 weeks worth of meal plans, recipes, and shopping lists. All you have to do is go online to your favorite grocery pickup or delivery service and place your order. Just follow the shopping list, place your order for groceries, pick up your groceries, and literally you are ready to cook dinner for your family every night. It's so easy and stress-free. So today I'm literally following the recipe step by step that is in the grocery pickup meal plans. The first thing that we need to do is we need to actually cook our ground beef. So I have 2 pounds of ground beef right here, which is what the shopping list on the menu plan calls for. However, I only need 1 pound of ground beef for the lasagna, and I'm gonna save the second half of the meat for tacos later in the week, but I'm gonna go ahead and cook it all right now so that makes dinner a little bit easier later in the week. The first thing that we wanna do after we've cooked our meat is we wanna go ahead and make our sauce mixture. So I'm gonna start with 2 jars of pasta sauce. You can use any variety, any flavor that you personally like. Next, I'm gonna add in 1 cup of water. And then last but not least, I'm going to add in my cooked ground meat. So if you would like to, you can actually add 1 tablespoon of Italian seasoning. Next, you're gonna set your sauce aside and it's time to mix up our cheeses. So I'm just gonna put all of this into a bowl together. So I'm going to start with my ricotta, and I'm going to start to kind of separate that because I want it to be easy to combine. You also wanna take 2 eggs that are slightly beaten. So I'm just going to gently beat my eggs until they're broken up and combined. And then I'm going to mix my eggs into my ricotta cheese mixture. Next, we're gonna add in 1 cup of grated Parmesan cheese. And then last but not least, we're gonna add in 1 cup of mozzarella cheese. We're just gonna add this in right here, and then we're gonna give it another little stir. To assemble your lasagna, you wanna start by using sauce first. Make sure you spray your pan with cooking spray so that nothing sticks to the edges of your pan. Then you wanna start and layer a little bit of sauce into the bottom layer of your lasagna. Once you have your sauce, it's time for your noodles. I like to use oven-ready noodles. That means that I don't actually have to go in and cook the noodles beforehand. I can stick them in right out of the box, which makes my life super easy. And then next, I'm going to spread my cheese mixture on top of my noodles. Now I'm gonna add some more sauce on top of my cheese mixture. This is just going to make a nice, really gooey sauce. Now I'm ready for my next layer of noodles. One more time. Once you have your final layer of noodles, you can go ahead and top with all of the remaining sauce mixture. All right, the last step is to top your lasagna with the remaining mozzarella cheese. All right, there you have it. My easy homemade lasagna is ready. It's gonna bake at 375 degrees for about 50 minutes to an hour. Another one of the things that I love about these grocery pickup meal plans is that they all include the side dishes. So our lasagna is actually gonna be served with a Caesar salad. This is a Caesar salad kit. It makes your life so easy. All you have to do is follow the directions on the bag. You dump your lettuce, your Caesar salad dressing, your Parmesan cheese, and your croutons all in a bowl, toss it together, and this makes an easy side dish to go with your homemade lasagna. Okay, there you have it, homemade lasagna and Caesar salad that's easy, quick, and delicious. If you guys like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget you can get all of these recipes and my complete grocery pickup meal plan when you click the links by this video to check it out. I hope you guys all have a fantastic day, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.